Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. If you're into design, architecture, or engineering, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable and high-quality printer that can bring your ideas to life. That's why I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP DesignJet T210 large 24-inch color plotter printer. This beast of a machine is designed to handle even the most demanding printing tasks with ease, and I'm eager to dive in and show you what it can do. First off, let's talk about the types of projects this printer is ideal for. Whether you're working on technical line drawings, renders that require precise and accurate line quality and crisp text, or even posters, maps, and professional sewing patterns, the HP DesignJet T210 has got you covered. The level of detail and precision it offers is truly impressive, and I've been blown away by the quality of the prints it produces. For instance, I recently printed a large format poster for a design project, and the colors were so vivid and the text was so sharp that it looked like it was printed on a commercial press. Now let's talk about media sizes. This printer can handle up to 24-inch wide media rolls, which is perfect for large format printing, and it can also handle up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the optional automatic sheet feeder accessory. This means you can print a wide range of projects, from small to large, without having to switch between different printers or manually adjust the media settings. I found this feature to be a huge time saver, especially when working on projects that require multiple print sizes. For example, I was working on a project that required printing multiple small diagrams, as well as a large poster. The HP DesignJet T210 handled it with ease, switching between the different media sizes without any issues. Another key feature of this printer is its media handling capabilities. It offers sheet feed, roll feed, and an automatic horizontal cutter, which makes it easy to print and manage your projects. Plus, with the ability to print multi-size projects automatically, you can save time and effort by not having to manually switch the media source. And let's not forget about the cost-saving efficiencies. This printer uses 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to other competitor plotter printers, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to reduce their printing costs. I've been using this printer for a while now, and I've noticed a significant reduction in my ink costs, which is a big deal for anyone who prints regularly. But what really sets the HP DesignJet T210 apart is the included HP Click software. This software is designed to simplify the printing process, saving you time, ink, and paper waste. With features like PDF error checking, alerts, and auto-nesting, you can ensure that your prints are accurate and error-free. Plus, with the ability to predefine your print settings and easily print files by simply dragging and dropping them, you can streamline your workflow and get more done in less time. I've found the HP Click software to be incredibly intuitive and user-friendly, even for those who are new to large format printing. For instance, I was able to easily print a complex CAD file by simply dragging and dropping it into the software, and the printer handled it with ease. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T210 large 24-inch color plotter printer is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to printing. With its impressive media sizes, media handling capabilities, and cost-saving efficiencies, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. And with the included HP Click software, you can simplify the printing process and get more done in less time. If you're in the market for a high-quality printer that can handle even the most demanding printing tasks, I highly recommend checking out the HP DesignJet T210. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your printing game with the HP DesignJet T210.